yourself and also your company, some history and background, please?
Yes. My name is Christopher Mason. I'm the National Sales Manager for Orient Watch US. Orient Watch is a Japanese company. It's been around since the 1950s. Orient basically started with Yoshida Shigeru back in 1901. He was a watch wholesaler, and through all his years of practicing in the industry, he developed a really great ideas for watches and said, why don't we go ahead and start a watch company? Through the years, the company evolved and transformed to being what it is now, which is the largest producer of mechanicals out of Japan. They make more mechanicals than Seiko and Citizen combined, and make a total amount of watches of 2 million a year when you include mechanical and quartz.
So I heard that you are introducing some unique watch in this show. Can you tell me about this collection a little bit?
Yeah, I can actually fill you in with one example watch right here. This is an example of the Retro Future collection. These watches are uniquely inspired from the 1950s. This one in particular has the influences of a plane gauge. If you look at it on one level, it looks like the propeller of a plane. If you look at it at another level, and I'll just put my finger right here to point this out, it also looks like the gauge on a plane, so that you got the tie of the ailerons and where the plane would be going up and down. Continuing on through the watch's design, to spin it over, you have the influence on the crown of a propeller of a plane, tying around to the back of it, which is very atypical and answers the question as to how is Orient unique. The influence, it goes inside the exhibition case. You actually find that it looks like the turbine of a plane. You can catch that on camera nicely. You'll also see that the design concept carries to the outer bezel. So the watch offers for people a very unique value proposition. It's only priced at $825. You get all these unique design stylings that are completely unique to the company, along with a power reserve indicator, which typically doesn't occur in automatics underneath $1,000. Here's the rest of the collection of Orient Star. As you can see, we have unique models that are inspired by cars, motorcycles, and by cameras. The one in the front being uniquely inspired by what it looks like to have a 1950s style camera. It looks like the outer shutter and the outer bezel of the camera, like if you were to be taking a picture. And along with that, we also have the watches like the one that I'm very proud to wear myself. This watch right here is a rally car race inspired watch. If you look at it, the gauge says on the watch, full on one side, empty on the other, just like the gas gauge on a car. Out of the bezel of it is a slide rule. This watch also has skeleton points at two areas of the watch. Sapphire crystal, exhibition back on the watch, only $600. This type of watch at this class you simply can't find. Even the complement on the crown says Orient. So we're very proud about the watches we're offering here at the show, and are excited about the prospects of the company in the United States. Thank you.